In today's video, I will be talking about one of the most crucial aspects of professional trading, and I will also break down a Forex trade for you all. What's up everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Jonatan, but most of you probably know me as Libs42. I am a professional crypto and Forex trader and also the co-founder of the trading community RLZ Trading, where we help you simplify your path to greatness. The video you are about to watch is recorded and released within the RLZ Trading community. So if you want more videos like this one on a daily basis, make sure you check the links in the description below and join the trading community today. What's up everyone? So we just got stopped out on Euro GBP and I want to cover this trade idea right here and tell you why I moved stops here and not to the entry area, and also talk a little bit about how as a trader you're always going to have lots of small losing trades and also lots of small winning trades, and then all of a sudden you're going to have a few big winners, and it's always going to be the few big winners that are going to keep you profitable. So let's first go through this trade, and we're going to do it with the replay function to go like one candle at a time. They're going to go through what I was thinking right here. Also remember that the first TP when placing this trade and when posting the trade idea was actually down here, so we never hit that TP1. So first what happened was we had a short signal here on the RLZ slingshot indicator, which by the way will be released on April the 10th, and if you want more information on that, sign up to the newsletter. It's only going to be available for newsletter subscribers, so make sure you are subscribed to the newsletter. If I'm uploading this video on YouTube and you're watching it on YouTube, which I might not do, it's going to be in the description below. Anyway, this is where we entered the trade. This is the short signal that we had, and then that kind of confirmed the setup. I think I entered on, maybe, let's see, yeah, so we entered right here. We market bought when that candle closed right there, and the price started moving lower, and let's see, I actually think we got filled right here. Yeah, we got filled right here on that move. Anyway, doesn't matter. Price moves down, almost hits TP1. It didn't. So first initial idea was to see if this candle would close below the weekly open, I would have moved my stops to entry. Now I didn't do that because when looking at the chart, I actually noticed that the trend is actually very much alive, right? You can clearly see how it's lower lows and lower highs, and then price starts moving higher, and you know, here we are. So I decided to instead move the stop loss here and not have the original stop loss, because if price were to get up to this level, you have a complete change in behavior. So you have the 4-hour 20 EMA, the 4-hour 50 EMA right here, and this is the first time that price actually get above the 4-hour 50, and you can draw some type of trend line right here, and you'll see that the trend was very much alive, and even a wick up to entry could definitely keep this trend alive. And then you have the double bottom here, which could be one. You could argue that would be an idea to exit the trade, but this now hit our stop loss where the trend was invalidated, and that's the whole idea with being in a position like this. You want to make sure that you exit the trade when the trend that you are trading is invalidated, and I believe it got invalidated right here. Now something I want to look at as well is, now trading has not been super great this month, if I'm going to be honest, but I want to look at some of the trades this month. Let's do monthly report, March, within 8 trades this month. I have one open, which is most likely going to be a winner, so I think win rate would be around 35-40% or something like that. But what's interesting here is we have we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losers. Only one of those are a -1 R. So if we actually look at the loss of March, we're down 2%. Now if all of these trades taken in March would have been a -1 R, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would be down 5% on the portfolio. And that's why I always try to limit the losses on the trade. When they are in profit, I try to move them to entry, or at least close to entry, to make sure that some of my winners, not all my winners are going to be -1R, but all the the losers, not all losers will be -1R. Lots of losers will actually be -0.2 or -0.5, which allows me to have quite a lot of losers before, because like we're down now on this month, we're down 2%. So what needs to happen is for this trade here just needs to become a winner. It's highly likely that if NCD JPY breaks down, this would be close to 2R winner, which means that this trade alone will pay for all the losers in this month. And that is the whole idea with having lots of small losers and a few bigger winners. So we have all of these losers combined with these two winners, gives us a -2R on March. Now, if NCD JPY is a winner, that's the only trade that's needed to be a winner, pay for all the losers. So you need just a few winners. If you're careful with your risk analysis and your risk management and your approach to limit the losses of your trade, you only need very, very few winning trades to actually be a profitable trader. So the key to really be profitable long term is to make sure that red trades, the losing trades in your journal, is never bigger than -1R, and if they and most of them are actually going to be smaller. So many small losses, many small winners, and a few big winners. That is what's going to keep you profitable long term. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. And if you like these short educational videos, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. And also, we are currently running a trading competition with Prime XBT, and you can win prizes up to 3,000 USD in this competition. It's exclusively for the members of the RLZ Trading community. So make sure that you join the trading community and then sign up to the competition, which starts tomorrow. See you guys in the next one.